Organic gardening for beginners. Grown on your own, homegrown fruits and vegetables are fresh and bursting with flavour. There is no better way to grow your own food than by gardening. It can help you produce tons of different fruit and vegetables, while also being a hobby for those who love plants. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll be discussing organic gardening for beginners. So, let's dive in. Who is organic gardening for? Anyone can start their own organic garden, even if they are just tinkering at it. It's not necessarily for the experienced gardener or those with lots of money to invest, but it is possible with little effort. What is organic gardening? Organic gardening, also known as organic farming, refers to the process of growing plants without using synthetic chemicals or fertilizers in order for them not to be contaminated with toxins that are harmful. Why should I garden organically? Many people choose to garden organically for a number of reasons. Some people want the satisfaction that comes with growing their own food, while others are concerned about what chemicals may be in store-bought produce. How do I get started with an organic garden? Getting started with an organic garden is quite simple. First, you'll need to decide on what type of garden you want. Do you have a large backyard? Perhaps an organic vegetable or fruit tree would be best for your space. If not, there are plenty other options such as planting herbs in pots and containers that can go indoors during the winter months. If you opt for an indoor herb garden, then you need to find a sunny spot in your home. You can also use grow lights if you have the space and want an all-year-round garden. For most beginners, the best thing to do is start small. Best types of soil. So, what are the best soil types for budding organic farmers? If you have the space and want to grow vegetables or fruit trees in your backyard, then loamy soil is best for this type of garden as it's rich with nutrients. What are the best plants to grow in my backyard or front yard? Naturally, this depends on the climate of your location. If you're in a warmer climate, then citrus trees and avocados are great choices. In cooler climates, like the northeast US or Canada, apples can be grown successfully. Is it difficult to grow plants without chemicals? This is a question many people ask themselves. The answer is no. It's not difficult to grow plants without chemicals. It does take more time and effort than using chemical fertilizers or pesticides, but the benefits are worth this extra work. So, that just about wraps things up for the video today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe and leave any comments below, and I'll see you later.